Let's test something. Can you understand this from the Quran? Don't translate, just recognize. By the end of this video, you will understand the part of this sentence. Let's see if you are ready. What if you could understand the parts of the Quran just by recognizing a few simple words? No complicated grammar, just words that repeat again and again. And by the end of this video, if you practice with me, you will be able to recognize these words more confidently and understand their meaning more clearly. In the previous video, we learned words like الذي, which means the one who, الذين, those who, ذلك, that, أنا, I. And today we are going to practice them together. We will start with a simple Arabic sentence, then the same idea in the Quran. And you will test yourself to see if your brain remembers them. And remember, practice makes perfect. And even if you are new, just try with me. Definitely you will learn something, inshallah. Let's start with this example. أنا مسلم. أنا means I. We learned this last time. So أنا مسلم is I am a Muslim. Now it's your turn. Let's try something real. This is a real line from Quran. Can you recognize any words? I'll give you 3 seconds. Here is the word أنا. أنا means I. أنا ربكم الأعلى. I am your Lord, the Most High. This is a saying of the tyrant Pharaoh in the story of Musa alayhi salam. Another line from Quran. You have 3 seconds to recognize the word. Here it is. وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدتُّمْ. Never will I worship what you worship. Now you immediately know who is being talked about. Now another word. ذَلِكَ كِتَابٌ. We learned ذَلِكَ, which means that, to refer to something far in place or in meaning. ذَلِكَ كِتَابٌ means that is a book. Now test yourself. Could you recognize the word in this line of the Quran? Here it is. Give yourself a point and let me know your score in the comments. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبٍ. That is the book with no doubt, to refer to the Quran, like the real book, the true book. Another example from Quran. Can you recognize the word? Here it is. وَذَلِكَ دِينُ الْقَيِّمَةِ. That means, and that is the upright religion. Why the Quran and the religion refer to with the word ذَلِكَ? That's for far things, because they are very valuable or very important. Things like that are more likely to be high. So the word ذَلِكَ fits here. Now a little more advanced. الَّذِينَ يَدْرُسُونَ الْقُرْآنَ, which means those who study Quran. الَّذِينَ means those who. Now test yourself. Can you find it? Here it is. الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. Those who believe. This is one of the most repeatedly phrased in Quran. Another one. Here it is. الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, which means those who disbelieve. I meant to bring simple and cut just a small piece of the Quran page so the things gets more clear and simple and easy for you, especially in the beginning of your journey to understand the Quran. You need simple small chunks, and then by practicing more, you will inshallah recognize them in the whole page. So as you see here, you already mastered the word الذين. You could recognize it, you could know its meaning. Another word, نجزي الذي ينجح. We reward the one who succeeds. الذي means the one who. It's a relative pronoun and it connects the meaning before with the meaning after. Now your turn. Could you recognize it? Here it is. الذي يكذب بالدين. The one who denies the judgment. Another example. Could you find it? الذي كذب وتولى. The one who denied and turned away. Play the video again if you feel like you want to be more confident about that. And if you got them all right, congratulations, you already understand parts of the Qur'an by yourself without translation. You can open the Qur'an yourself and try to find these words on your own. You will be so happy when you find them and you could understand their meaning. Even if only the meaning of these words as a beginning, that's almost fine. And remember, you don't need to understand everything at once. Start small, and by time and by more practice, you will recognize more and more words, inshallah. These are the same words we practiced today. And if you want to practice more like this, comment to practice in the comments. And next video, inshallah, there will be a lesson about 2 powerful words that come in the Quran so many times. See you inshallah in the next video. مع السلامة.